Hey everyone, Kerry Taylor here, the inventor of Drain IV. Today we're installing the brand new Platinum Drain IV system, the fastest, cleanest, most bulletproof way to end condensate clogs for your customers. Quick legal stuff first, you know the drill. Must be installed by a licensed HVAC or electrical contractor to keep the warranty active. Follow all local codes, and the #1 rule, start clean, stay clean. Pan and drain line have to be spotless before we begin. Got it? Awesome. Let's do this in 5 easy steps. Step 1, the power converter. The red leads tap into the air handler's 24-volt AC supply. Use one of the included electrical connectors to secure the connections. If desired, mount the converter with the 1/2-inch self-tapping screws or the double-sided tape. Feed the USB-C end out of the control box and give yourself plenty of slack to reach the pump. Step 2, mount the pump. Fully assembled and ready to rock. The best way, stick the magnet to any metal surface. It holds 16 pounds of sheer weight. If it ever slides with a full IV bag, peel and stick the included mag stop under the magnet 30 seconds and it's locked forever. For screws, pop the magnet off and use the pre-drilled holes in the arms with the included 1.5-inch self-tapping screws. Step 3, fill and hang the IV bag. Slide a spring clamp 1 inch up the clear tubing and push straight onto the end port until it bottoms out. No angles. Slide the spring clamp onto the port using pliers. Cut the tubing 15 inches below the pump. Then slide the IV cap on, leave about 5 inches from the pump, then push the weighted filter all the way onto the bottom. Okay, gloves on. Pour the concentrate into the IV bag. Fill with tap water to the neck. Set the bag on a flat surface and let it fully expand, then top it off. Hang it onto the arms, drop the weighted filter in, and screw the cap tight. Step 4, choose your injection method. 2 pro options included. A, the drain line. It's the fastest. Clear tubing from the pump out with a spring clamp to the clear injection port and the T already in the drain. Done in 30 seconds. B, drip tray, when you want it upstream. Black tubing with a spring clamp on the pump out port. Drill a clean 3/8 hole, pop in the grommet, and route the tubing to the highest point of the drip tray using the included drip tray clamp. Need to split into 2 injection points? Use a T with spring clamps and another drip tray clamp. The drip tray clamps are universal and can be used to route and hold the tubing just about any desired point in the tray. Step 5, power up, test and prime. Before plugging in the pump's power, press and hold the power button for 4 seconds. The screens light up and then go blank after 20 seconds. That's normal. Plug in the USB-C, the screen should wake right back up. You just verified the power converter is working. Double tap the test button, watch it prime. Repeat until you see 0 bubbles in the lines, or with the drip tray installation method when you see fluid running out of the tray. Tidy everything up with a stick-on cable clamps. Clean install every time. That's it. You just installed the Platinum Drain IV like a pro. At factory settings, 1 ounce every 2 days, this gallon bag lasts over 6 months with about a month to spare. Perfect for your next service call. Refills are simple. Dump the old fluid, new concentrate, top it off with water, good for another 6 months. Questions? Hit our FAQs page. Email info@drainiv.com or reach out through our website. We're here for tech support or free in-house training anywhere in the United States. We've got your back. Thanks for choosing Drain IV. Now go collect that easy, reoccurring revenue and keep your customers happy and dry. Let's kill some Zoogie together.